Hi, I'm Tasman and today I'm going to show you how to make a hydrating and moisturising primer using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First log in and select the Skin and Hair Care program. And then select the Oil and Water Cream Gel build. Then click Create. First I'm going to select my humectant. And I'm going to go with the propane diol. Next is my added extras. And I'm going to select the licorice extract as it's rejuvenating and soothing. Next is my polymeric emulsifier, and I'm going to select the Sepimax Zen. Next is my lipids, and I'm going to select the cyclopentasiloxane dimethicone cross polymer. This has a really nice velvety smooth feel on the skin. And I'm going to select the dimethicone 350 CPS for its light skin feel. For my preservative, I'm going to go with the Yuxel PE9010. Now for my actives, and I'm going to select the beta-glucan as it is moisturising to the skin. And I'm also going to select the hyaluronic acid powder because it is hydrating. Next, I'm going to select a fragrance just so my primer smells nice. And last but not least is my antioxidant. And I'm going to go with the mixed tocopherols. Then select Generate Method. And there you have a full formula method, and now it's time to get into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a hydrating and moisturising primer using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making your own primer. Happy formulating!